Guys, just making our way up to the main runway at Queenstown Airport, runway 05, so we'll depart out to the northeast, out to our right hand side, before shortly making a climbing left hand turn. We'll head towards the dip in the hills straight in front of us there and start heading towards the west. So it should be fairly smooth on the way up to altitude, guys. Just make sure you set up nice and tidy for me throughout the duration of the flight, and I'll be back with you guys once we're in the skies. Just got to wait for a New Zealand plane, I believe, just to get off the runway, and then we'll be underway shortly. Just out to our right hand side behind is the Arrow River, I should say. It's the only river that flows out of Lake Wakatipu. It goes out to the valley on our right there called the Gibson Valley, famous for its Pinot wine. Also on our right hand side there is the beautiful Lake Hayes, a popular 8-kilometre long walking and cycling track around it, forming part of the Greater Queenstown Trail, also used for rowing. Just down on our immediate left is the Shadow River, so another river. We'll talk about this one a bit further on once we pass this first set of hills in front of us. And in the distance to get up to our right hand side, just underneath the right wing section at the foot of the hills is the town of Arrowtown, the older township here in Central Otago. Founded all the way back in 1862 when gold was discovered on the Yarra River. Down the mountainside is Coney Peak, New Zealand's oldest commercial ski field, opened up in 1947. Also the Southern Hemisphere's lowest commercial ski field, so to make up for the lack of natural snowfall during the winter, they have over 200 snowger machines up there. When they're all turned on, they're the second largest power use in the South Island. Potentially open towards the end of this week, early next. However, looking pretty dry at the moment. We're just passing over the road up to the ski field. It's about a 20-minute drive from the Queenstown CBD to the base there. the beautiful Richardson mountain range. This is one of two mountain ranges, or one of three mountain ranges, I should say, that we are crossing today to get to Milford Sound. Used in the winter months for heli skiing. Got a beautiful dusting of fresh snow from 2 nights ago. Let's pick up the old bump just as we pass over Richardson here, guys, but we'll continue our climb up to just over 9,000 feet today. Head up to our right, left hand side, it's Mount Larkin. To our left-hand side, we've got a large lake. This is Lake Queenstown. Once again, the same Lake Queenstown sits on. We're at the far northern end now. A small town that sits at the top there is called Northie. It's a small farming community, population of around 300 people. Rivers by various glacial systems, and the now is Spanish, up to our glacier as well, so those clips, those are from the 2019 Australian bushfires, where the prevailing westerlies blew all the smog and smoke over and blanketed the glaciers here at the start, forming a pivot layer. About 2 to go up to our left-hand side, folks. The stunning age glacier off our direct left, being in the sunlight is the Don Glacier. It was directly above the Don Terminal Lake. Milford Sound. We get out of the guys, thanks. We have a couple of bumps as we make our way down beneath the original. On our right hand side here. So we're just coming up on Milford Sound now, folks, out to our right hand side, don't use that to the mouth of Milford Sound, then head out to the left is to the head of Milford Sound. So just a few bumps as we descend guys, we'll head out to our right hand side, out towards the mouth of Milford Sound. Have a look around there, and then we'll track back and down to the Milford Sound Airport. So there's a big cliff face, too much straight in front of us, right on the right there, it's Mitre Peak, one of the world's tallest sea cliffs, the iconic peak here at Milford Sound. Goes straight up from the sea level 1700 metres up, further 2 to 300 metres beneath the sea level. Folks on our left, right there on our left hand side, Mitre Peak. It's one of two permanent waterfalls here at Milford. You guys are really great here there on the cruise. Just a couple of runs as we come up to the mouth of Milford Sound, guys. So you'll shortly see out here, it's a bit of a rainforest, lots of trees and vegetation, so this is the wettest part of New Zealand. Milford Sound records average around 7 metres of rainfall, which probably equates to around 200 days of the year here it's raining. So it's in stark contrast to Queenstown inland, which receives less than 1 metre of rainfall each year. That's the west coast, guys. Make your left hand turn around now, track back inside Milford Sound, guys. And once I make that turn around to the left, we'll see the narrow entry to Milford Sound. So the first European explorer to New Zealand, Captain James Cook, completely missed Milford Sound on his first exploration. He thought it was just a shallow cove, so he skipped past it. So that was in 1770. And then the early 1820s, a sealer called Captain John Corona was looking for a place to shelter from an incoming storm, and he thought it was just a cove as well, so he clicked inside. Discovered Milford, or what would be Milford Sound. He actually originally named it Milford Haven after his hometown of Wales in the UK. It wasn't until the early 1900s it was then renamed Milford Sound, so along with the rest of the fjords here in New Zealand, which are all still slightly confusingly named Sound. So Sound is still technically correct, however the more correct term is a fjord. A fjord is a term given to a valley that's been carved out by a glacier and then flooded by the sea. Milford Sound certainly was carved out by a glacier. Last period of glaciation was approximately 18,000 years ago. Out to our left-hand side there, that is the most isolated part of the world, or of New Zealand at least. There's absolutely nothing out there but uninhabited fjords. And that's the view of Milford out to our left. There's a bit of a chop down there on the ocean, so we may pick up a few bumps as we come on into Milford Sound. Once we get further in, it's nice and calm inside. Although the narrowness keeps it fairly sheltered from the weather. this one up here guys will be the worst of it. So you can see these mountains are pretty tall vertically, they go straight up from the ground, so these are made out of material called granite. Extremely tough, and due to being carved out by glaciers, it's given it that really steep angle to it. If it was carved out by water or a river, it'd be a lot more gradual, like the mountains around Queenstown. So you'll see all the valleys around us in a big U shape. And Milford Sound itself especially, very deep in the middle of Milford Sound, well over 300 metres deep. And these granite mountains have no soil attached to them, so you'll see the big white streaks down the sides here. Those are for what we call turtle arches, so the vegetation roots quite really hard to cling onto the granite. And when enough rain falls, which there certainly is enough of, sometimes the trees give way near the top and come sliding down, taking out the rest. Can take a couple of decades to regenerate. On our left hand side there is Sterling Falls, one of two permanent waterfalls, 150 metres high, fed by glacial ice melt off the Chemist Glacier. So we're just beginning our final descent here into the Milford Sound Airport, which is pretty much straight in front of us. Just make sure you sit up nice and tight for me. We'll be on the ground in just a moment. When we come into land, out to our left will be the Ladybug Falls, which is just ahead of us now, second permanent waterfall, and also the cruise terminal. welcome to Milford Sound, folks. So we'll just park up here at the apron and then we'll shut down the engine. I'll hop on out, put the stick down the back and I'll let you out from the back.
Alright, welcome guys, everyone enjoy that?
Thank you. Yes.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
Sweet, I'll jump out in just a second.